What's up, y'all? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you, yes I said it, you make an extra income. If you are somebody that is a part of the Educated Hustler team, I hope you have already joined the Discord. We're at 92 members. At 100 members, we are going to have to start charging $10 for you to get in, guys, because we are doing things in this Discord. We're giving away sauce. We're also putting special guests in here. We're also putting buyers, live buyers in this chat, and they gotta get paid. I ain't gonna lie, they gotta get paid. So we gotta make sure that we are making it make sense. And if you want to get in for free, I'm telling you right now, the link is right here below. Get into the Discord now, and don't sit there and be one of them stale people not talking. I'm telling you, you're gonna need to talk, because guess what? We're here to make money. We're here to network. We're here to become 1% better every single day. I'm here to push you guys. I'm not here to let you be stagnant, okay? I'm here, okay? And think of me as the person that always got your back like a bra strap, like I always say, and understand that I'm going to push you beyond your limit sometimes, and it's because I care. It's because I care. Now, we're talking about the buyer's price list today. The buyer's price list is available on IamHustlersMindset.com, and I'm going to explain in this video not only what the buyer price list is, but how you can utilize it so that you can actually price phones accurately, but also make the most money. But that's not all. Also, I'm going to let you know how the buyer price list actually connects you with buyers so you can sell these phones immediately, okay? Yes, I said immediately. Get paid immediately. Yes, that's what I said. Immediately. All right. I'm excited. This buyer's price list has come a long way, and we have updated it. It updates daily. Okay. This is a price list that is an Excel sheet on Google Sheets, so it can update remotely. You don't have to download it every morning. No. This price list downloads and updates as you're sleeping, when you wake up, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're in the shower. It's always updating. Now, who's updating it? It's not me. There are 25 buyers that are going to be updating this price list. I made an agreement with these buyers. Now, yes, there's multiple price lists out there, but they're not price lists like this one. I'm going to tell you that. Because what I realized when I was using Atlas's price list and a couple other price lists, I realized that these price lists were not helping me make money. They honestly were helping the other person make money. They weren't helping me gauge, okay, listen, I know that this is the market value of the phone, so I need to offer X amount. No, there was more like, all right, I know they just gonna pay me this, so I need to offer $50 less. That's not how this price list is. This price list gives you the market value. Then once you get the device, so let me explain what the market value is before I even go into that. So it gives you the market value. The market value is what international and in the state buyers deem a device to be, okay? So they may say, hey, listen, iPhone 14s aren't selling well internationally, and they're not selling well in the States, so they're going to go down to $200, right? Let's just hypothetically say. That is the market value. So they're telling you, hey, just to be safe, don't offer any more than $200. And if you do, I'm telling you, just do $30 higher. Don't do anything more. Atlas would be like, all right, guys, so the price on the price list is going to be, if it was 200, the market value, the price is going to be 175. But they're making a gap for them to actually make money, instead of telling you what the true market value is, so that you can actually send out offers not only to one price list or one buyer, to 25, and then have them bid on you. So they're going to bid on the device that you actually send. So you're not going to have to send the physical device first. First, you're going to actually send in a spreadsheet, like I'm going to show you guys the devices you have. Once you send the spreadsheet, you send it to sell my device at IamHustlersMindset.com. You send that spreadsheet on Google Sheets that we're going to send to you. You send that, and then the buyers get it. They then type in the IMEI you provided. They look at it, and then they start sending offers. And once they start sending the offers, we vet the offers and make sure that we compose the highest bidders, and then send you the spreadsheet offer. So the spreadsheet offer is going to have all the offers the buyers are giving you, and you can deem, okay, I want to sell it to this person, I want to sell it to that person because I'm making the most money. So it is a really, really good price list, and it's so good, y'all. And it's something I've been working on for years. And it's something that I think is going to be really, really good. I just want you guys to continue to improve and become 1% better every single day. So without further ado, guys, we're going to hop onto the computer and I'm going to show you guys everything I'm talking about so you can learn how you can start making money work for you more effectively. So get your pencil, your paper, and let's get to work. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we are going to be talking about the buyer's price list. Guys, this is exactly how you can make this happen, okay? Number one, when you get the buyer's price list, you're going to get a file that looks just like this, okay? It's going to lead you to a sheet just like this. It's going to be a view-only sheet, okay? Now, as you see up top, it says prices are valid for the price date range, right? So what that basically means is every single day, the price list is for that day. Okay, and we have reinvented it to where now you're going to be able to look at it daily and see different changes. We did go from updating it weekly to now updating it daily. Now, prices are not always going to change. Okay, they're not always going to change. We only change the prices when the prices change. Okay, we're not sitting there trying to finagle you or finesse you. I made sure I got buyers with integrity. Okay, and we're all on the same page now. If you guys want to send phones, you're going to want to pay attention to the black part, okay? So this is the black part right here, okay? So the website, of course, is IamHustlersMindset.com. Now, what that means is this is the website you can buy the price list at. Sell my device at IamHustlersMindset.com is where you will email your spreadsheet. We're going to talk about the spreadsheet in a bit, okay? So just hang on. Just remember, you're going to have to email this email with the devices you want to sell. All phones ship must be received first, and then you get the payment. So what happens is once the device is received, literally within the first hour or 30 minutes, honestly, it is received to the store, which this is the address. So you're going to get all this information. Okay. Once it is received, it is literally going to be Cash App, Venmo'd, or wired to you. Okay. There's no waiting. Okay. No waiting. We do price match as well. So we do price matching. It all depends on exactly what price sheet that you're talking about, of course, because you can't just make up a price list, because I've had somebody try to do that and try to get us to match. It doesn't make sense, okay? Now, you have to send IMEIs via Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet to the email sell my device at I'm Hustler's Mindset, okay? Now, what do you mean by that, Brandon? So we have a buyer's price list template that you're going to be able to get. What it is it asks you the quantity, description, company, and the IMEI, and you leave the price column blank because the buyers are going to fill this in, okay? So let's hypothetically just say that you are trying to sell us 4 iPhone 14 Pro Max 128 AT&T, okay? And let's just hypothetically say these are the IMEIs. What you will do is you're going to type in iPhone 14 Pro Max 128 in the description, okay, of each. How many of them it is. This is one each. Company, so it's going to be AT&T, and then you're going to put the IMEI. That's what you're going to do. You're then going to hit share. Once you hit share, then you're going to actually be able to either copy the link, which I would recommend to do. Copy the link. You're going to then go to your email. Now, when you go to your email, you're going to then type in sell my device at or even copy it. You know what I mean? You can copy it. But you're going to send that to this email. Once you send it to the email, you're going to get a confirmation. So it's going to say, hey, we received your devices. We will get back to you within 30 minutes to an hour. Once y'all send it, we're sending that directly to buyers. What happens is now each buyer takes this template and they look at it. They look at all the IMEIs. They go, they check the IMEIs, and then they shoot back a price list, but the prices are going to be here. So I have some examples for you guys. Prime example is this one, okay? So iPhone 14 Pro Max, you see all of these, right? Now, you see different Chinese writings because these are different buyers, okay? Now, what we do is when the buyers shoot back the price list, they don't go directly to you, they go to us. We vet them and put all the best offers on the same price list, and we send it back to you, and this is what it looks like, okay? So you'll be able to see, okay, all right, so they're willing to offer me this amount. Okay, so for a iPhone 11 Pro Max, it was, I believe this was passcode locked as well and locked, and it was B. They did 160, 580. You see how now you get the exact price, and then the full total, of course, is going to be in the yellow. You'll get this exact sheet in your inbox. Now, you know, all right, so they're willing to pay me $2,035. You then can say, okay, yay or nay. You can decline it, or you can say, yes, I want it. Now, if you decline it, that's fine. It's all fair game. There's no bad blood or anything, of course. Like, but if you keep it, that's fine. Now, if you say yes, we then shoot you the email. The address, so you can send it. You send those devices, and guess what? Once you send these devices, this is automatically getting sent to you via Cash App, Venmo, whatever your payment method is, okay? Which is always contacted and described in the email. So you guys will be able to make this money work for you easy. So it's no more sitting on phones, guys. And it's no more, if you have a blacklisted phone, whatever, put that in the template and let the buyers figure it out and at least shoot you a price back. That's what I suggest. So if you want OfferUp or whatever, if you're buying iCloud lock phones or passcode lock phones or even carrier lock phones, we're giving you a way for you to actually go ahead and make the money, right? So what I wanted to do is I want to actually have us look at another example. Okay, so we're going to look at this example right here. All right, so as you guys see, you have a iPhone 13 Pro. Let's stick with the iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, iPhone 13 Pro locked 256. Okay, iPhone Pro locked 256. So I want to show you guys how right here, the iPhone Pro locked 256 is $580, right? But look at how the iPhone 13 Pro 256 is $565 on the price list. Look how you make more money from this buyer than it does say on this price list. Now, this is a consistent method we actually put in place. We don't want you guys to sit there and take a loss. That's not the point. We want to give you guys what the value of the phone is market-wise. But that doesn't mean that's just the value the buyer will offer you. Mind you, the buyer is trying to bid against other buyers, so we make sure that we're getting the price to increase, if y'all get what I'm saying. So that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Even though this is the value of the phone, we're making them get into a bidding war, which made it go all the way up to $580. So we make sure that we handle the hard work for y'all so y'all can make more money. So that's why when it comes to you paying only $60 one time for the buyer's price list for people to actually negotiate prices on your behalf, that is exactly what separates us from other price lists, is we are literally conducting negotiations for you guys. Let's take another example. I don't want to get into Apple Watches and all that, because then it's going to get in depth and y'all going to lose. Y'all going to get lost. Y'all going to get lost, I promise you. So we're going to pick another example. So, iPhone 14 Pro Max locked 256. Okay. So, we have 665. They ended up paying 740. So, guys, y'all know how I love this calculator right here. So, again, 665 was on the price list, but instead you got paid 740. So that's $75 extra dollars. Mind you, the person didn't get these phones for for 665, because they had to negotiate, you know what I mean, down, obviously. So they probably got this for like 600. They're making around a $150 profit, the person that brought this phone, because of the market value. Meanwhile, once they send us the spreadsheet, we're literally sitting there negotiating so that they can actually make more money. Guys, This is what we're building. We're not just sitting on YouTube making videos talking about, hey guys, this is how I flip phones. No, we're trying to make it to where you guys are actually making this money and actually building and expanding, guys. And if you want to do this, I'm telling you right now, go cop that buyer's price list. If you already had a buyer's price list, start sending your spreadsheets to us. I'm telling you right now, we have so many people that have success stories, and I'm going to continue to make videos to show you guys and tell you guys about the success stories. And again, you can get this literally right now at IamHustlersMindset.com. All you got to do is go to phone flipping, go to buyer's price list. It's only $60. It was $145. $60, buy this, and you're going to be able to make money work for you. Like, this is literally the biggest gem right now on YouTube. I don't care what nobody say. You literally could buy a phone and then have somebody else bid for you. That's crazy to me. It would be crazy if you do not take advantage of that. That's all I'm saying. But guys, that is it for me with the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys want to actually take part in this, man, go buy the buyer's price list, and join the Discord too. Join the Discord too, and I will see you guys at the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.